Hello everyone. Are you wondering why a guinea pig might be making noise? Let's find out. Guinea pigs communicate through a variety of sounds, each indicating different emotions or needs. One common noise is weeking, a high-pitched squeal usually associated with excitement, particularly when they anticipate feeding time or seek attention. This sound signifies happiness or a request for food. Purring can indicate contentment, especially if it sounds soft and occurs when being petted. However, a deeper, more rumbling purr might suggest annoyance or discomfort, often heard when a guinea pig is touched in a way it dislikes. Chutting and chirping are other sounds that generally express contentment or curiosity. These noises often occur when guinea pigs explore their environment or interact peacefully with each other. Teeth chattering, on the other hand, is a sign of aggression or irritation. It can occur during territorial disputes or when a guinea pig feels threatened. If you hear this sound, it's best to separate the guinea pigs to prevent fighting. In summary, guinea pigs make noise to express excitement, contentment, curiosity, or annoyance. Understanding these sounds helps in interpreting their needs and emotions, ensuring they are happy and well cared for. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and support us on Patreon for more educational content about guinea pigs. Goodbye.